Okay, all of you audible voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Today topic psychiatry third unit mental health assessment. See, main mental health assessment means you can observation to the mental health persons. Means their normal persons are abnormal. Just you can observation of the particular each persons. Now we will discuss introduction of mental health assessment. A mental health assessment gives your doctor a complete picture of your emotional state. Means total this mental health status means who will observe means total doctors only observe the complete picture of your emotional state. Whatever the particular person have the any emotional problem, any problem, immediately the doctor will complete up the picture. Like a completely he will total identification of the particular problem. And it also looks at how well you are able to think, reason, and remember cognitive function. He will see, the doctor will see to how you looking way, like any able to think means able to think means capacity thinking you have or not, that expressions and reason means what particular reason you are showing up the emotionals, and remember what you means in case any questions asking means that you can remember not, that also he will look to the on the face. And cognitive functioning, cognitive function is thinking functioning, you have ideas, thoughts, this also doctor will look on your doctor will ask your questions and examine you. Doctor will ask the some questions and examine means exam is examination doing with particular person. Why means doctor will asking any questions means having this problem, like that they will patients or any person explain to doctor. That's the main doctors will ask questions to the patient and examination also doing to the particular person. And you might answer some of the doctor's questions in writing. In case doctors will asking questions, that time you can writing answers. Means some doctors asking questions, some people's not understand means they will write on the board also. Otherwise whoever giving answer, that person's also you can write the board. Writing part also you can tell answer, otherwise orally you can tell answer. Like the doctor total observe to the particular person. That is a mental health assessment. In mental health assessment, first topic, see mental health assessment, that is the third unit name. In that first heading, psychiatry history ranking. How to you can take up the psychiatry history. Here first one, demographic data. Demographic means study of the human population. How many members affecting of the particular problem, which persons have the psychiatric problem, which age peoples means which gender affecting peoples like this problem. You can identification of the human population in this data. Demographic data. Here main, how what you collect means first of all you can collect the history, name, what is name, how much age, female or male sex, and marital status, married or unmarried, religion, Hindu or Muslim, like this religions also you can take history, occupation, they're what doing job, software, engineering, or police, or teacher, or doctor, this and all also you can take up the history. And socio-economic status, how much monthly will come to the money means income. Then socioeconomics means in the society you will getting water supply or electric supply, the total supply giving or not in the society. Like this also you can take up the socio-economic status. And address, what is your address, like and informant. Informant means who give information to others, means who give information to others person, that is called as informant. In case the person not giving information means you can ask to the another person, the person will give the information. Who other person means like a family relatives. And next, information relevant or not, they're giving information relevantly or not. Example, one patient, the patient have the full vomiting, severe vomiting. That time you asking any question means they will tell no vomiting, just stomach pain, just headache. Means that is not relevant information to the vomiting, because they have the vomiting, but they can't. They're not telling to the information related to vomiting. Here also, observe doctors observing to the person giving not relevant information. Just you can check it to the relatives. That is a demographic data. Understood demographic data, ma? All of you boys and girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ra.
Yes, ma'am.
And second one, chief complaints present complaint list with duration. Chief complaints present complaints means main signs and symptoms. What they have the signs and symptoms, and present what they have the signs and symptoms. And list with the duration means how many hours since how many hours have the particular symptom, how many days since how many days having of the since how many weeks having of the chief complaints and present complaint. Just you can take up the about complaints history. Means here patients, in patients own words and information own words, they have any problem is they will information due to the own words only. Okay, in case they're giving own words means because they're suffering of the present chief complaints, and it means signs and symptoms they're suffering of the about particular symptom. That's why they will tell information like a own words. Example, they will tell sleeplessness x 3 weeks means 3 weeks onward they're not sleeping properly. That is one of the psychological symptom. Just way how to you can identify the psychological problem is the doctors will take up the history total after they'll identify the problem. But here person was saying 3 weeks onward sleepless, no sleeping properly, no hungry, and no hearing voices, no, not listening of the voices to the 2 weeks onwards any voices, and talking to self. They self only talking to the 3 weeks onwards. In case means some psychiatric people like that only na speaking means talking to self only. That is this is like mentally they self only they talking. Like this also this patient saying I don't have I'm not sleeping properly 3 weeks onwards, no hungry, no ear voices, not listening of the ear voices 2 weeks onwards, and I talking with the self. I mean I talk self only like a 2 weeks onwards. Like this is like this information they will give to the doctors. That is a chief complaints and present complaints. And third one, present psychiatry history nature of the current episode means present what psychiatrist about psychiatrist can take to the present. Present means they have the any problem, what have the problem. Current episode means current means how since when have the problem. Here onset means three is there: acute, subacute, gradual. Onset means particular time, within a few hours, within a few days, within a few weeks. Weeks means since weeks or since days, since hours having of the particular problem. Like that, you can identification of the each every means one continually you can observe to the person means hourly once and weekly once, daily once. Just you can total identify the particular problem. And duration means how many days, how many weeks, how many months having of the particular psychiatric problem. Like that, this doctors will take up the history. Intensity same, increasing or decreasing means the problem increasing or decreasing. That also can identify. Precipitating factors, as no if yes explain. Precipitating factors is whatever doctors asking to question, the question they will tell to the explaining. Explaining means they're explaining or not, yes or no. In case they will explaining means the doctors know what is problem. They're not explaining means they don't know doctors. That's why main doctors whatever explain to the patient also they'll give the inform like a yes or no. And history of current episode means explain in detail regarding present complaints. Whatever having of the presently any symptoms, you can explain to the doctors in detail regarding. Some people will get the shy feeling. That's why they can't explain to the detail to the doctors. But you can explain it means the doctors will know now what's problem. Who not explaining, they don't know, they can't provide the treatment properly also. That's why whatever you have the any complaints immediately regarding in detail you can tell to the doctors. And associated disturbances, there's some people will get the disturbances. Why they're getting up disturbance include present medical problems. Whatever have the present medical problem, hypertension, diabetes, anemia, whatever they have the present medical problems, they will disturbance of the mind. That is a present psychiatry nursing. Next, fourth one, Past psychiatric history means past psychiatric means previous what having of the psychiatric problem, and number of episode with onset and course, number of people's affecting of the days wise, weeks wise, hour wise, months wise, whoever affecting of the psychiatric problem in the previous, and complete or incomplete remission, any penalties, any fees, any bill, complete or not incomplete in the hospital, that also you can take up the history. And duration of each episode means each episode means continually duration means hourly once you can observe to the particular person what they have the symptom, what they have the problem, like continually durationally continually you can observe to the particular episode problem. And treatment details and its side effects if any, in case whenever providing of the treatment, after treatment you can take up the details, what details means if any side effects, example dolo tablet, in case the dolo tablet any one person taking it, the tablet cannot not suitable to the particular body persons, that will get the headache, vomiting, allergy, like here also after treatment providing is any side effects having of the person, like that you can take up the previous past psychiatric history. And treatment outcomes like a treatment feedback, they're giving correct or not, any problem, in case treatment give means increasing or decreasing, like that just you can take up the feedback about treatment. And next to detail if any precipitating factors if present, precipitating factors means in case now present you have the any problem, detailly presently you can explain to the doctors, the doctors also will take collect of the all history, that is a fast psychiatric history. Next, fast fifth one, past medical history, past surgical history, obstetrical history. Past medical history means in previous any medical problems, the any whatever they have the any medical problem, that also they will doctors will collect of the history. And fast surgical in fast previous any done of the operations like heart operation, brain operations, whatever operations finishing, whatever operation done or not, that also you can take up the history. And obstetrical history, females any gynec problem, in pregnancy time, after delivery, any problem total you can take up the obstetrical history also, that is a fifth one. Next, sixth one, family history. Family history also very important. Why means in family members whoever affecting of the psychiatric problem, that same psychiatric problem sometimes will affecting of the third generation peoples. Like whoever getting relation marriages, like that, some people will get the problem, same family members. Here now first point, family genogram. See, family genogram is this is one of the genetic problem, hereditary problem. This main three generation include on grandparents, means you can three generation you can take up the, means three generation peoples is there now, the three generation people you can take up the history. And grandparents also will take history, because of why means this one of the genetic hereditary problem now, that's why in case previous three generation whoever getting psychiatric problem, same they will get to the another persons in the same family. That's why you can collect up the study, three generation people history and grandparents history. Next, but if there is a family history, include the pot generation, include the pot of means this is one of the this is one of the problem also including to the family. Whoever have the family members, automatic that related generation people will get the problem. That is a family history. Next to personal history. In personal history, what mean you are taking past psychiatric history, present medical history, family history, total you are taking. And main personal history also you can collect, because why means first of all here, why means this total you can collect, it means you can idea about the psychiatric problem. That's why first of all you can observe the history, take to the prenatal history. Prenatal means pregnancy time before pregnancy time you can collect the maternal infection, any the mother have the in a pregnant have the any infections, umbilical infections or any infections having or not, just you can take up the history. And exposure to radiation, that pregnant ladies exposing to radiation or not. See, you've seen I think so somewhere some in hospital operation theater and ICU theater, entering of the OT ICU they're writing in pregnancy ladies don't enter in the OT, because of why means in OT ICU they're using of the X-rays. Once whenever using X-rays, the rays exposing to the pregnant ladies, that baby will get the sometimes psychological problem, sometimes they will affecting of the abnormalities, they will get the some health problem. That's the main pregnant ladies don't expose to the radiation. that in prenatal history, the doctors will identify you are exposing to radiation or not. They will also ask that question. They will take up the history and checkups. Daily checkup means monthly once or 5 months once. Your daily checkup that also you can take up the history and any complications, any hemorrhage means hypertension, any heart problem, any complications having or not in the pregnant time, you can take up the history. And natal history. Natal history means related children's. First types of delivery. In whenever getting the children born, that time what type of delivery? Cesarean delivery or normal delivery? And any complications having of the baby, that also take history. And breathe, any breath problem to the baby, and cried at birth. And birth borning time, the baby crying or not. Like this total history also you can take to the personally. And milestones. Milestone is the growing development body and mind, normal or delay. Slow delay means like a slowly developing or not, normally developing or not. That also you can observe to the children. Next, in that including behavior during childhood. In childhood time, how they're doing of the behavior children's. Excessive temper tantrums. Excessive temper tantrums means the people sometimes excessive uncomfortable, cannot play with another persons. That time will get the hungry also. Like this having symptoms are not just you can observe the childhood time. And feeding habit. How they're feeding means breastfeeding means feeding time now bottle feeding and feeding time also you can observe the patient like how feeding normally feeding or differently feeding habit like that also you can take history. And neurotic symptoms, any neurological symptoms like headache, vomiting, then any brain abscess, irritation, frustration, stress, depression, anxiety, this and all having or not also you can take up the history. Pica. Anybody know pica? Pica mean?
Don't know, ma'am.
Don't know?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Pica means the pica means this is habit having in the children time. What that habit means that pica people's eating of the chalk pieces, papers, slate pencil and sand. This pica means no the children's not taking up the nutritive value food. They're eating only chalk pieces and pens, papers and slate pencil sands. That is a pica. That is one of the psychiatric problem. I think so yours also in children time you were eating slate pencil and touching to the means touching the tongue to the chalk pieces and eating sand also. Some people who doing in children time like that. Some people who ever getting psychiatric people they whatever near of the anything they're not eating food only. They're whatever near of the anything they will eat. That is a pica. And habit disorders. Their habit abnormal, any habit means drinking habit, drugs habit, alcohol habits, whatever means whatever habits is there means that also you can take up the history. And excretory disorders, any urine disorders and bowel means urine passing time any problem and stool passing time any problem having of the also you can observe with the and take up the history the excretory disorders about in the history. And next illness during childhood. In childhood any the childhood the pupils any sometimes will get the sickness. They're getting or not sickness in the childhood time. And look specially for CNS infections, central nervous system. Any infections having within the central nervous system that also you can collect the data. And epilepsy. Epilepsy before I am showing one one by getting of fits epilepsy like
Yes,
means the loss of
ma'am.
what?
Yes, ma'am.
Epilepsy, loss of consciousness, the total shivering of the body, that white color will come on saliva like that come on the mouth. Sometimes they will get the loss of the consciousness. I like that also whenever in the children in illness in children time also they were getting or not fits like also you can take up the history about the relatives and about parents. And neurotic disorders, any neurological disorders affecting or not in the children time, that history also you can take. Next, malnutrition. That people malnutrition are normal means whoever less adequate food taking means that people's body will get the malnutrition very weak. because of why they malnutrition means they're not taking up the sufficient food. That's why they're getting like a malnutrition body, like a weak. That also can take up the history. See, in by birth onwards, so some people, children, people not taking up green leafy vegetables means that time that brain also not maturity properly. Whenever taking a good quantity of fresh vegetables, that time your brain knowledge and maturity also will increase. Here malnutrition is these people's not taking properly sufficient food and not taking up the good leaf vegetable. That's why they're getting like a malnutrition and sometimes no maturity properly to the children's. And next schooling. Schooling means you can identifying up in the school. In school also, what main you can identify the collect the data means age of going to school, means which age the people, which age that the children's going to the school, that also you can identify. And performance in the school, they're performing or not, actively performance, are they're sitting alone in the school, that people speaking or not to the friends, and whatever program conducting their performance or not also you can collect of the data. And relationship with the teachers, that people children's maintaining or not relationship with the teachers. Say some children's not maintaining because anybody have any psychological problem, and anybody getting a fear can't maintain a relationship with the teachers. In case that time also you can ask the teachers how their children's behavior in class time, how they're giving answers. Like this also you can collect the history in the school. And it especially look for learning disability and attention. Especially you can observe to the learning disability means their learning capacity having or not, their attention are not very dull. Like that also you can observe the specially. And look for conduct disorders. Conduct disorders means whatever conducting programs anyways, that time the people immediately can identify the conduct disorders. Okay, in case one game connecting any running game, but the people can't properly not running to the properly, that time they have the sometimes some disorders. Example, transi means particular situation. Transi means particular conducting time, any conducting program time, that time that situation they will can't play properly, also they can't give any answers also. Like this also conducting time they're getting the like a particular situation have like a conduct disorders. And occupational history, in occupational history, age of joining job means the particular person when joining of the job, and the relationship with superior subordinates, then how they're maintaining of the relationship with the superior. Example I will tell, in case I have psychiatric problem, once I am joining in the any college, that time my parents asking, in case I have psychiatric problem, my parents will come and asking to my colleagues and my superior how my doctor, okay, maintaining of relationship or not, she have any problem again. Like that my parents ask to superior and colleagues na, they're asking me, so no same like that only, they're telling no no communication means, that my parents know, okay, same like that have the problem my daughter, like that thinking. Here also you can the doctors or any nurses you can observe to the, they're maintaining or not relationship with the superiors peoples and subordinates whoever colleagues, like a colleagues, they're maintaining or not relationship with colleagues or superiors, that also you can take up the history. And any changes in the job, in job any changes in detail you can give to the details, means any job changing means you are going to you're going to one company to another company. Why you going to one company to another company, any problem have in the particular company, otherwise you have any problem in that company, that's why they're sending another company. Like that, just you can imagine, you can change any changes of in the job also, you can take up the history. In this example, one psychiatric patient in the one company, but they can't doing properly, that time what they're doing sending to the another company. Like that changing or not also you can take up the details. And reasons for changing job, why you changing of the reason, why you changing of the job, reason also you can take up the like a collect the history of the about changing of job also. Last one, sexual history, main sexual history also, why important main sexual history means some people have the sexual means sexual interestly having, they because why they're interested having of the sexual means the total mentally depending of the about sexual. That's we can take up the main sexual history. Here first point, age of attaining puberty. Age of attaining puberty means 10 to 14 age like that. See main maturity when the girls getting of menstruation means main 10 to 14 age, between that age they were getting the menstruation. But some people can't get the menstruation. That's why you can observe the that girls menstruation are menstruation getting are not in the particular age, and regular means the getting of monthly periods are not, that also you can observe. Why means they some psychiatric problem means that time that hormones also getting up the some problem. That's why some people not get the menstruation, not get the regular periods also. That is also you can take to the females. And next one, source and extent of knowledge about sex exposure. Source extent means you can, source means how you can take up this means related to the sexual whoever exposing. Some people continually exposing to the sex means body. Some people showing up dresses, different they're showing like exposing like the sexual like. That time what happened? Another people whenever exposing another people's will the interest get to the sexual. Like that, whoever have the more interesting in the sexual, that knowledge means some people have see in case each person's different knowledge. Some people have the about technician knowledge, about doctor means doctors are doing operation, more knowledge having in the about operation. Like this also some people's main knowledge having of the about sex also. Like that you can take up the history about the sexual. And next to marital status means the people how they're getting married, and how who's getting married to the particular person means same relation or another relation. Means in case getting same relation means you can identify the particular problem. Same relation means automatically sometimes will get the psychiatric problem. That's why marital status also you can collect the history. Next one, pre-morbid personality. Pre-morbid personality means personality of a patient. Pre-morbidity means in before any disease having of the particular problem, particular person. That's you can observe the any pre-diseases personality having of the particular person. Here, personality of a patient consists of those habitual attitude patterns of behavior. That behavior how like that before any means attitude having or not, any character and abnormal habits, individually they have any problem, total you can identify the previous diseases personality. And personality sometimes changes after the ones of illness. Whoever whenever changing of the personality changes, that time they will get to the illness problem. Otherwise whoever getting of illness problem, they will change of the personality. Like that you can get the description of the personality before the onset of the illness. Before illness you can identification of the what main have the personality problem to the particular person. And main aim to build up a picture of the individual, individually they're developing or not. Picture you can draw the one picture, age wise they're developing or not, like otherwise they're very miss delay slowly developing or not. That also you can identification of the individually. Not a type, this is not a type of, this is not a type of the observe the pre-morbid personality. Just you can picture wise individual you can observe that person growing and development or not. And inquire with respect to the following years. Whatever you can inquire to the previous morbidity personality, any problem, inquire them respectfully follow the areas. Which areas having of the problem? That time doctors or any nurses, whoever collecting the data, that persons respectfully you can follow up the areas. Respect not there means they can't give the proper information, no clarity. That's why you can give the respect to the persons respectfully. You can identification of the identification of the each areas each sorry identification of the each area particular about problem. And next to summary. Summary means in case example I will tell, in case I am giving one topic to any one student, the student giving seminar means seminar taking total class. Summary means again repeating whatever we are discussing class, like that again repeating of the summary. Here also whatever you taking history means again you can ask the patient again will give information clarity. That is a summary. This is a psychiatric history taking. Anybody have doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Guys,
No, ma'am.
Babudosh, Prasanjit, Subankar, Arjit, Nibedita, Rinku.
Ma'am, no doubt.
Okay. Why yesterday not attending Prasanjit in my class?
Ma'am, my mobile not charging, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
They are having no electric, na.
Okay, thank you all of you. Bye. You have any doubts, immediately you can ask me. Okay, bye all of you. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. You also take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, Ram.